When it comes to affordability, portability, and easy playability, you will be hard-pressed to find a better instrument than a harmonica. Even with their cost and modest size, harmonicas can produce an awesome range of tones, and this incredible versatility is echoed in the music genres in which they are used. From the more apparent categories like rock, country, and blues to more unexpected genres like classical music and jazz, the harmonica fits in easily with its human-like sound. Today we are going to review top 5 harmonica of this year, and we are going to start our list with Moog Diatonic Harmonica, HA20C. Even though the Moog Diatonic Harmonica hasn't been around for more than a year, the product has quickly risen to become one of the most popular harmonicas out there. It has a bright, lively sound quality that is sure to suit nearly any kind of performance. This harmonica has been specially made to suit novices and individuals with little or no experience with harmonicas. It's also great for practice if you don't want to risk taking your more expensive harmonicas along. In addition, this harmonica goes very well with an acoustic or electric guitar accompaniment. The Moog Diatonic Harmonica is sturdy and reliable and has a stainless steel coat and phosphor bronze reeds that will stand up to any wear and tear. Besides, it's pocket-sized, and adequately small to be carried around. The overall dimensions of the harmonica are 4.1 by 1.4 by 1 inches. Due to the bronze reeds of the harmonica, you'll have the ability to blow easily into the musical instrument, creating sound immediately. With this, the sounds are more steady, and it enables you to reproduce songs better. The Moog Diatonic comes with 10 holes, allowing the user to have 20 notes accessible. With this, you'll be able to play every chord and melody all in the C key. And as always, the link is in the description. Next up in the list is Fender Blues Deluxe Harmonica, HA20C. Fender is one of the most renowned music instrument manufacturing company in the world, and it shouldn't be really surprising that we included their product in this guide. With this harmonica from the well-respected company, you'll be buying a product that will enable you to faithfully display your skill level. This harmonica particularly comes in 7 harmonica keys: C, B, B, A, D, E, F, G. While the C sounds fairly deep, smooth, it has a trace of cheekiness as well. This product from Fender is designed to be very versatile and is perfect to play all sorts of genres. It is unique amongst band practices, making it perfect for beginners and professional players alike. The Fender Blue Deluxe Harmonica has the regular, customary harmonica shape that makes holding and playing it very easy. Besides, it's coated with chromed metal covers to help you have a totally comfy performance, with a solid grip. The harmonica has a vented case that enables it to stay dry after every playing session. Also, it is portable due to its compact size, and a small cleaning cloth is included in the package. Next one in the list is Lee Oskar Harmonica, HA20C, Major Diatonic. The Lee Oskar Harmonica is another product that is highly recommended for novices. It has a high-quality construction that makes it easy to play without breaking a sweat. Besides, its affordable price is ideal for beginners. Despite being one of the best harmonicas for people just starting out, it doesn't sound like a starter harmonica. It's also perfect for professional players due to its consistent quality and unique tone. Overall, it is a great harp for players of all levels. Furthermore, the Lee Oskar Harmonica produces clear and bright sound, which makes it ideal for rock and country players. Its cover is made to provide the reeds with more room to echo, thereby improving the projection, which makes this harmonica a great choice if you are playing with a louder group. For rapid playing, the reeds of the harps are tightly spaced and sit in lower beds that lessen air leakage. Besides, bending them is much easier than other harmonicas in the same price range. This allows you to do all the emotional blues you want. One outstanding thing about the Lee Oskar Harmonica is that the reed plates can be easily replaced if worn out, since the company manufactures and sells spare plates for all of their products. They are attached to the comb with 3 self-tapping screws, which makes them incredibly easy to swap out. And again, the link is in the description. Next harmonica is Hohner MBC Marine Band 5-piece harmonica set. Hohner is a well-known music instruments manufacturer which invented and produced many harmonica models used today by professionals and enthusiasts. And this particular set of harmonicas proved to be suitable for lots of situations. From players in the beginning level to those in the intermediate level, this harmonica will be useful to a lot of people. Further, it is a great option for musicians looking for a set of harmonicas to take along. It comes with a carrying case which has 7 slots in total and will be suitable for any regular harmonica. This set comes with keys that are sure to be perfect for nearly all of your needs, particularly if you play in a rock or folk ensembles mostly. One of the most impressive things about this harmonica is its consistency through the keys. This is particularly nice if you switch a lot during your performance because there would be no need for regular readjustment. However, this package may seem too expensive for hobbyists. Although, if you are playing along with other people, you'll find the range of keys on the set really useful, as it allows you to play a broader assortment of songs. Last and the best harmonica in the list is Suzuki HA20C ProMaster Hammond. If you are looking for a compact and portable harmonica that produces high-quality sound, you can't look beyond the Suzuki HA20 ProMaster Hammond Professional Diatonic Harmonic. It will provide you with the deep, mellow tone you desire. The tone produced by this harmonica is uniquely rich and smooth, yet being clear. If you want it to, it can play softly and quietly while still retaining the tone quality. It also comes with an aluminum comb that allows it to get louder than most harmonicas. Furthermore, the HA20 allows you to have excellent precision and control. The notes blown through any hole are very clear and stay in pitch. It provides you with equal definition regardless of whether you are playing riffs and single-note melodies or chords. Along with the tone's incredible warmth, the bend's quality makes this harmonic awesome for blues players. Also, the harmonica's external casing is very durable and will withstand a lot of play. The comb and reed plates are also well made, and the whole unit is well built to avoid air leakage. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button blue. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.